Hello everyone, welcome here. Here is a simple coding exercise for you. In this lecture, you will be assigned a coding exercise to test your skills based on your previous lectures, what you have learned. So prepare a responsive top nav and header and mouse hover effect for top nav. And here you need to apply for meta tag for responsive, this meta tag, and seeing this layout you need to prepare header and top nav with the columns of the layout and footer element for a basic website. Let me check your knowledge levels and view how and what you have learned from CSS course. So I hope most of the persons will simply crack this lecture like a coding exercise. Anyhow, in the next lecture, I'll share you with a solution for this. Thank you.